I'm Jessie Keith from Sungrow Horticulture. Did you know that earthworm castings provide a rich, natural fertilizer? That's why we include earthworm castings as a key ingredient in our black gold potting mixes and as a separate packaged blend. Castings are deposited by earthworms after food passes through their digestive tracts. It's simply worm manure, and earthworm castings are nutrient-rich, biologically active, and enhance the soil's ability to retain water. Earthworm castings contain high populations of beneficial microorganisms crucial to strong root systems. They also naturally aerate the soil, help retain high moisture levels, and release nutrients slowly over time to meet your plant's needs. Earthworm castings in our mixes are odor-free and have an organic smell similar to soil. Black Gold Earthworm Castings Blend is available at top garden centers and hardware stores nationwide. Visit blackgold.bz to learn more and discover expert how-to gardening videos, articles, and exciting monthly garden giveaways. We also offer free horticultural advice through our Ask a Garden Expert support service and $3 rebate coupons to help you save on your next Black Gold purchase to create more beautiful, vigorous, cost-saving gardens.